Damon Creates, and I just made like 3.5 videos. And I kept hitting, and it kept stopping the video. So this is the time where I'm not gonna pause. So, for this, you will need Sharpies, butter knives, which the ones with the teeth at the front, but make sure you have an adult while you do this. But I've been using butter knives for a long time, but make sure not to grab the sharp ones, the very sharp ones. Don't grab those, because look, they don't do anything. But the sharp ones can actually cut you. And don't grab those, but a butter knife with little teeth on it, grippy ones. And then you will need modeling clay, like this. And we are going to be making this only where the front's cut off of it, right here. This is cut off. This part right here. And we'll also be making a dock. So let's hop into the video. So, I showed you all the ingredients and all that we need to make an S9 Plus vacuum cleaner Roomba. This is what we will need for the Roomba, what I showed you we needed. So we will need modeling clay, and you will take your modeling clay and your butter knife, and then, we don't need the butter knife right now, the butter knife, and then we will press our piece of modeling clay down on the floor like this. Oh, sorry, sometimes I do that. And then we will press it down onto the floor. And if your bottom looks like this, you got lucky for this video. You are ready. But if it looks like this at the bottom, with like cracks and stuff all over it like this, then make it kind of look like this. If your bottom looks like this, then make it look like this. Okay? And now we will flip it over. Oh, sorry, it just does that. They're falling from the ceiling. So now we are going to press on the floor. And it should look like this. Your bottom should look like this, and your top should look like this. And feel it and make sure it's all flat. And it should, if you're finished with it, it should look like this, like a little heart shape. And now we will take our butter knife and we're going to cut this part off, the front, and make it flat. But you can ask your adult to get a sharp knife and cut it for you if you want. But I would prefer a regular butter knife. But make sure not to use these for food after. Do not do that. That's a caution warning. And you will cut and you will saw, kind of. Not so fast, but kind of fast. And then you will scoop that over to the side. You don't need that. It just fell from the ceiling again. So you also need a bowl to put the extra scraps in. And then we will put the bowl to the side right here so you can see it, if you want to see it. Right here. So, then we will get our butter knife and we will push it up against our flat surface of our modeling clay. And if you, hold on. And if you have finished doing flattening out, it should look like this, like a nice flat surface. So, we will need a flat surface at the top, and then we will need, and if there's any bumps like this, take your butter knife and nicely just paddle it a little bit. And then take your finger, you will need your fingers to do this, and then you will rub on cracks that you see. And then you will press like this, and you should end up with something looking like this. And you, like this, like a bump. But, do you remember that extra modeling clay we put in this bowl? We are going to rip off a little piece of that and flatten it out. And if you're done flattening it, it should look like this, or it can be any shape. And then you will take your butter knife and press against on each side, and you should end up with a square or a circle or a triangle, but mine's a square. And then you will take your butter knife again and go through that again. And then you go through right the middle of that. And you should end up with something like this. And you remember that bump right here? We will cut this modeling clay piece into a little string like this. And it should look like this. And we're gonna lay that right where the crack is. And you should end up with this when you put it on the crack. And then you will fill it in. And then at the very end, when that's done, it should look like this. Right here. And you will also need one more ingredient. So, that was it. So now we are going to get our pencil. And now we are going to get the back and make sure that's super flat. And if it is super flat, you should end up with something like this. See how that's all flat? The back, not this part. Let me show it. So, we will need this part right here. We will not need this part the back. And then we will take our pencil and poke holes in the back of our Roomba like this. And we will flip it back over to the front where you can see the flat part that you made. Nope, there. We will take some extra modeling clay from our extra modeling clay bowl, and we will squish and squish and squish, and that's basically everyone's favorite part of the video. So we will smush and smush and smush and smush and smush it until we end up with this. And then we will roll and roll until we end up with a kind of thin string like this. Take our butter knife, cut, and we should end up with this. And we will put this around the middle of our shape that we made out of our giant lump of modeling clay. And it should, and if you did it right, it should end up like this. Hold on. And you will also need a gray Sharpie. And if you don't have one, you can get one off of eBay. And you will take the lid off of your Sharpie, and you remember that circle? You will color in the circle. But you can do this step whenever it dries, okay? And you will also color the ring around it. Okay, so when that's done, take your Sharpie lid and put it back on. And when that's done, it should end up like this. This made this. Now you will take a black Sharpie, take the lid off, put it on like normal, and then write an R on your gray, and it should end up like this. And we will flip our Roomba over to the bottom, and it should look like this, not this part. And make sure that the flat part's facing you, facing away from you. And this part, the part with the holes, is facing towards you. The face with no holes is facing away from you. So this side should be facing towards you. This side should be facing away from you. You see? There's no? Yes? You should not do this side. You should do this side. And we will get modeling clay from our extra modeling clay bowl, and we will take off a piece, 4 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you should end up with these little 4 pieces. And you will roll one piece into a ball. You will take one piece and roll it into a ball like this. And it should end up like this, a little perfect ball. It doesn't have to be perfect though. And you will take our butter knife. You will take the butter knife and slowly just saw, and then you will press and saw at the same time, and then you will get that, and you should end up with this, and put it on one side of your bottom of the Roomba. You will get that other piece and put it on one side of the Roomba. You will get another piece and roll that into a ball. And then we will cut it in half. And one of these halves, this half, doesn't need to be there. So put all the rest in your extra modeling clay bin. All the rest. And when you're done, you should end up with something like this. Only it's not, only bigger than that. So anyway, we are taking the ball and rolling it again, and we're putting it at the bottom center, and it should look like this if you did it right. It should look like this. And if you flip it over, there's a little space right here. Flip it over again, and then make a little hole in it for a suction inlet. So you can pretend there's a suction inlet there, but there's not. And this is not going to have real suction, okay? So don't be disappointed if it doesn't. And we will take all our extra modeling clay and put it in the extra modeling clay bowl. And one more thing we're actually going to do with this is, now we will probably need another modeling clay packet. Probably going to need one. So, we're probably going to need an extra modeling clay packet. You think we actually need one?
I don't know.
We might.
What are you making?
The dock, too. We're making the dock.
Okay. See you in the next video.
Oh.
And then make a dock.
I want to make the other dock like so. The video of the dock is going to be 1 second later from this video. Okay?